change your mind? Stay with me to the morning light. Stay with me. Can I change your mind? Thank you. This next song is going to be, I'll let you know what I sound like with a full band. Basically, this is my kind of gambling song, which is being used in a film with Roy Noble in it. So you might hear it again at some point. This is called 50-50. You can call it if you want to. 50-50, it's a leap on chance. Take it if you want to. Probability's a dangerous dance. You can shoot it if you want to. Pick a card and just hope it's right. Throw a coin if you want to. When the land has gotta be your side. If I had your eyes, I know the lies. I know what cards you hold. And if I had your mind, I'd not let blind. I love you till it's old. And if I spoke with your voice, I make the choice. I leave it well alone. And if I had your hand, I'd leave the dance. I get up and go on home. Pick a card, throw the dice. Spin that wheel. Choose the shortest straw and you will get the roughest deal. It's heads or tails. Scissors, stone and paper cuts. Right through the you can call it if you want to. much. Yeah, I think the film was filmed by a company called High Jinks, which is it used to be based in here or still is or whatever. But I'm still waiting for my black tie. Remember stories of wonder girls, I told them to you when you were ill. I didn't know what to say or do, so I talked to you, yeah. They let me stay through the night with you. I held your hand as you slept down through. Who'd have thought there'd be so much in store? The two people trying to make one more. And here I pulled us through. We planned the things we'd do. Stuck in a room for 7 days, but our minds were free with you. Yeah, pulled us through. We planned the things we'd do. Stuck in a room for 7 days, but our minds are free with you. Oh. Out on the streets at 7 a.m. Our body clocks are in mayhem. If we were home it'd be 12 midday, but we're in New York City today. Hey, hey. When things are so very difficult, you make it through if you think forward. Do all those things that you're going to do. New York can one make you pulled us through, yeah. And New York pulled us through. We planned the things we'd do. Stuck in a room for 7 days, but our minds were free with you. Stuck in a room for 7 days, but our minds are free with you. Thank you. Now I'm going to play one of my ukulele songs now. This is a song called Waiting. It's basically about the time you're away from one you love, goes slowly, and then when you're with them it seems to speed up, in theory. This is called Waiting. I'm waiting for you, with you. Where there was one, now we are two, me and you. Love grows, do you suppose? Time slows and maybe it's frozen without you. You're not near, a day's a year, a smile is a tear, and everything's endearing about you. But time speeds by, now that you and I are side by side. Time speeds by. I'm going to play a song now by a little known artist called Bruce Springsteen. It's called The River. Come from down in the valley where, mister, when you're young, they bring you up to do like your daddy done. Be a married man in high school when she was just 17. We drive out of this valley down to where the fields were green. We go down to the river, and into the river we dive, oh, down to the river we ride. Then I got married, prayed, the man that was all she wrote. For my 19th birthday, I got a union card and a wedding coat. We went down to the courthouse, and the judge put it all to rest. No wedding day smiles, don't walk down the aisles, no flowers, no wedding dress. That night we went down to the river, and into the river we dive, oh, down to the river we did ride. I got a job working construction for the Johnstown Company. But lately there ain't been much work on account of the economy. Now all them things that seem so important, they just vanish right into the air. Now I act like I don't remember, Mary acts like she don't care. But I remember us riding in my brother's car, a body time and went down at the reservoir. At night on them banks I lie awake and pull her close just to feel each breath she'd take. Now those memories come back to haunt me, they haunt me like a Is a dream a life that don't come true? Or is it something worse that sends me down to the river? Though I know the river is dry, sends me down to the river tonight. Down to the river, my baby and I. Oh, down to the river, really ride. Thank you. That's the trouble with real instruments. Sometimes you lost the issue. This is a song called Don't Get Caught. It's for anybody who's had to kind of leave a relationship and take a chance on something new. Told me you had gone, well, I felt weak and I was numb. But then I thought of what you said. You let your heart rule your head. You said it happened once before. He wanted less, he wanted more. Then you guarded your heart well, and then I came, your guard fell. So don't get caught with your heart about to break. Don't be fooled or misled. Don't get caught thinking everything's too late. Follow your heart and not your head. Hey. Well, is it true? Did you succeed? You held it back until you knew when it felt right, you'd see it through. The strength it took for you to leave will soon be matched by your belief. There will be time to start again. So raise your guard, This song is called It. It's about the it girls we hear so much about. Well, I don't know what it is, but girl, you got it with a bit left over. I saw you on a magazine without your clothes and not much cover. Well, I bet your friends and teachers never thought that you'd amount to something. I bet your mom and daddy was so shocked when they heard what you were doing. Those boys, they want to kiss you. And all the girls, they want to be you. And all you wanted was to well, I bet you never thought you'd go to previous and aimless parties. Did you swap the ones you love for fame and to become somebody? I bet you never lonely, always happy, just in case it's pictured. Now you're so extraordinary, is it how you thought it would be? Thank you. This next song is called Little Bird. Please try, if I could help I surely would. But I have heard such a big bird you never should. They say it's wrong if you do, so wrong if you don't. Well, you gotta do something, 'cause it's good for the soul. So I picked him up with care. Home to drop I couldn't dare. Then I placed him in his nest. I pray he wasn't too distressed. They say it's wrong if you do, so wrong if you don't. Well, you gotta do something, 'cause it's good for the soul. Oh, 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 oh. Good for the soul. Little bird up in the sky, goodbye, goodbye, I'm so glad that I passed by. Bye, 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 when it's a case of live or die. Live or die, all your heart let it decide. They said it's wrong to do, wrong you don't. Well, you gotta do something, 'cause it's good for the soul. Oh, oh, oh. Good for the soul. Good for the soul. Thank you. This next song is for all the lonely loners. It's not much fun when you're eating up a meal for one. So hang on in there, son. There's somebody out there for everyone, you say. No guarantee that you'll ever break free from the lonely day free. Listen to me. Find yourself a new strategy, you see. Now I can spread out on the bed. If I wanna live on beans and bread, I can go out any night that I choose. Friends to booze, lounge around, watch TV instead. Janie's not the one. She fought too pushy and quarrelsome. And Susie, no, none. She got tattoos and she owns a gun, oh no. Mother's got money, but the money won't buy her sanity. Katie's too clingy, always talking about natural If I wanna live on beans and bread, I can go out any night that I choose. My friends to booze, lounge around, watch TV instead. I'll be a monk. Wait a minute, then again, do they get drunk? Yeah! So I'll be on my own, or maybe I'll take a good on home. Ain't no fun, having fun, ain't no fun, not much fun, having fun. Fun is not much fun for me. Busy having fun with me. Busy having fun with me. Thank you. I wrote this next song about a day trader in America that he's had enough of the city and he wants to go tramping off into the wilderness. This song's called Disappear. Streets are made of gold. Got it now, I felt so close, too stubborn to be told. Leave it all and go on home, for I have led the life. What I did for myself, and now my time has come to leave the streets behind. To the night, selecting places out of sight, drift along the plains, no need to use my name. Hike along the rail track, swimming lakes so clear. Maybe past this way again, or maybe I'll disappear. Maybe I'll run into the night. Maybe I'll disappear from your sight. a bit of a strange song, this next one. It starts off being quite melancholy, and then ends up with a fellow trying to get a girl's clothes off. I think you probably all know this song, but you might not have heard it done like this before. Poor old Johnny Ray sat and sat upon the radio, moved a million hearts in mono. Our mothers cried, sang along, who blame them? You're grown, so grown, now I must say more than ever. Come on, Eileen, to-ra-loo-ra, to-ra-loo-ra-yay. And we can sing just like our fathers. Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear, at this moment, you mean everything. With you in that dress, my thoughts verge on dirty. Oh, come on, Eileen. These people around here wear beard down eyes and smoke dry faces, so resigned to what their fate is, but not us, no. We are far too young and clever to ride, to ride, yay. Eileen, I'll hum this tune forever. Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear. Ah, come on, let's take out everything. That pretty red dress, Eileen. Ah, come on, let's. Ah, come on, Eileen. That pretty red dress, Eileen. Ah, come on, let's. Ah, come on, Eileen. Come on, Eileen, to do right, yeah. Come on, Eileen, to do right. Now that you've grown, now that you've grown, oh, oh, Eileen. I say, come on, Eileen. Oh, come on, Eileen. We are far too young and clever. Things won't ever change. And I say, to ride, to ride, to ride, to ride. Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear, at this moment, you mean everything. Come on, Eileen, oh, I swear, at this moment, you mean everything to me. Oh, Eileen, oh, Eileen. You mean everything to me. Thank you. This, I think this is my last song, isn't it? Yeah. This song is called Easy Dreams. I'm a bit guilty of making my dreams a bit too hard, so I never actually get to fulfill any of them. So I kind of wrote this as a little note to myself to stop making my dreams so difficult. It's called Easy Dreams. When was it last that you really laughed till the tears came to your eyes? Remember the times when we danced all night and life just flew on by? What about when we sang it out till our voice could stand no more? Think about when we cheered and shouted and we clapped until we saw. Easy dreams are hard to find. It's the tough ones we design. Many times I've thought, careful what you dream for. There is one thing you should do, and there's time before you're due. Many times I've heard, careful how you dream. Dreams are hard to find. It's a tough ones we design. Many times I've thought, careful what you dream for. There is one thing you should do, and there's time before you're due. Many times I've heard, careful how you dream. Laugh until you cry, smile until it aches. Knowing when you're happy gives a chance to make life great. Laugh and love and dance and dream content, but there's a need. Making good with what I've got's the key to being happy. Easy dreams are hard to find. It's the tough ones we design. Many times I've thought, careful what you dream for. There is one thing you should do, and there's time before you're due. Many times I've heard, careful how you dream. Thank you very much. My name is Alan Coles, and I've written and recorded 4 albums of my own material. I do have one for sale for a £5. It's my 4th. Thanks for listening. Thank you. Should I do another one? No. Really close tonight, and I feel like I'm moving inside her, lying in the dark, and I think that I'm beginning to know her. Go, I'll be there when you call, and whenever I fall at your feet, and you let your tears rain down on me. Whenever I touch your soul turning pale, you're hiding from me now. There's something in the way that you're talking. Words don't sound right. I hear them all moving inside you. Go, I'll be waiting when you call, and your tears rain down on me. Whenever I touch your slow turning pain, the finger of blame has turned upon itself, and I'm all willing to offer myself. Do you want my presence or need my help? Who knows where that might lead? I'm bored. Whenever I fall at your feet, and you let your tears rain down on me. Whenever I fall, whenever I fall, thank you.